Let's fix your iPhone speaker if it's not working. Now, if you're on a call and the speaker is not working, or you're on a Zoom call or anything like that, I'm going to walk you through some steps to get that speaker working again. The very first thing we'll do is swipe down from the top right, and we're going to do two different things on here. We're going to toggle that volume all the way up and make sure the volume is up so that you'll be able to hear it just out of the speaker normally. And then the second thing that we'll do is we'll turn off Bluetooth. We want to make sure that Bluetooth is turned off because maybe it's connected to some third-party device like a hearing aid, a headset, another third-party speaker, or something like that. So once we've done that, we'll head into our settings here. Oh, let's go back. And we will tap on Sounds and Haptics. Once we're on here, you want to make sure Change with Buttons is toggled on because you want to be able to just toggle up the volume as I just did on here. So make sure that is turned on, and then let's go back and let's go into accessibility. Once you're on here, we can go down and tap on Touch. And if you scroll down, you can see Call Audio Routing right here. We'll want to make sure that's on automatic. So if it's routed to your speaker or a headset that could be causing issues, you want to automatically route it, and your iPhone will know the best place to route it on just a normal speaker and microphone on your phone. So let's go back and we will check a couple other things. Let's go into audio visual here. And then you can change a couple of things. This phone noise cancellation, I would turn that off to make sure that that is not interfering with the speaker, because sometimes that noise cancellation can try to block out all the noise, but it just winds up messing up the speaker. So I would recommend turning that off. The next step that we'll do is we'll just tap and hold the volume up and power button, just like that, and then slide to power off your phone. So once you restarted the phone, sometimes this reconnects and resets everything and fixes any kind of bugs. And the last thing that I recommend doing is the speaker on your iPhone is at the very top here if you're just on a normal call, or it's at the bottom if you're on a speaker call. Make sure those are cleaned out. You might want to take the case off of it if it's really hard to hear, and just get a little Q-tip and clean those out. Make sure they're nice and clean and there's not a physical obstruction causing that speaker to not work. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.